Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to sign up to Audible affiliate program. If you are looking for a good way to make money online, becoming an affiliate is definitely one of the best options, as all you'll need to do is sign up to your favorite platform, for example Audible, which is owned by Amazon, that allows users access to thousands of audiobooks and more. Once you get their affiliate link, you can start promoting it on social media or sharing it with family and friends. And if your family or friends should sign up to Audible using your affiliate link, you will be able to get a commission. And the beautiful thing about Audible affiliate program is they don't actually have to spend any money on Audible for you to start making money. As you can see right here with the Audible free trial digital membership, if with each person that signs up, you'll still get $5 even if they were to sign up onto the free trial on Audible. So this is definitely a good affiliate program to get started with. The first thing you will need to do is open a new tab in your search engine, whether that is Google, Yahoo, any search engine that you're using. I want you to type in Audible affiliate program. After you have done that, you're going to tap on the first option at the top, as you can see right here. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this page. Once on this page, you can scroll down and you can read more about the Audible affiliate program or overall the Amazon associate program. As remember that Audible is owned by Amazon, so it falls under all of the other Amazon businesses. As you can see right here, here is their affiliate structure. So you can see eligible products and services and the value. So for example, if you were to get someone to sign up to the Audible Gold Digital Membership, with each sign up you'll get $10 commission. And as I stated earlier, with the Audible free trial, you'll get $5 commission. And with each Audible audiobook that is purchased, you'll get 50 cents commission. And you can scroll down and you can read more about their breakdown of their affiliate program, and you can see the Audible free trial. With each free trial, the person will get 2 free audiobooks to start. After 30 days, get 1 audiobook a month for $14.95. And you can read more about it. But since you're looking into the affiliate program, I'm going to more than likely assume that you know what Audible is and what it is about. So after you have done this, you're going to tap on Become an Affiliate. Once you have tapped on Become an Affiliate, you will be redirected to this page. And this is where the sign up period starts. So the first thing you will need to do, you're going to enter your name and address, as you can see right here. Once you have entered your name and address, you're going to be led to the other page, which is website and mobile app list. So if I were to tap on next, and from here you're going to enter your website that you would like to promote Audible on. Or if you were promoting it on, for example, Instagram or so on, you would add the link right here. Or if you have a blog, you would simply paste it in right here. But since this is YouTube and I mainly know about YouTube, I would recommend that you start a YouTube channel. And there are numerous topics that you could cover, and you could add your affiliate link in the comment section. For example, if we were to go onto YouTube, we can type in Best Audible Books, and by scrolling down you can see that there are numerous creators that have YouTube channels that they are talking about audiobooks. And that's all you will need to do also. You could simply post summaries of audiobooks, quick summaries, and you'll be surprised the amount of persons that are interested in books just like you. So you don't have to be an expert or anything like that. You don't even have to love audiobooks, but I would recommend that you know a good amount about the topic before starting a YouTube channel. But it is definitely a good idea, and you can get inspiration from other creators. As what I always believe is, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. All you'll need to do is find a few channels that are talking, or that you feel that you could do the same that they are doing or even better, and then from there you will simply add your own little special sauce to it, and you just change up a few stuff so you're not directly copying them, but you're better yet getting inspiration from their channel. And you'll be surprised the amount of views that you'll get, and in turn you'll probably end up start making money from YouTube AdSense and not only Audible. But you'll start off making money from Audible, and that is the beautiful thing about it. You won't have to wait until you get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube to start making money. And with any luck, you'll be making so much money by the time you get 1,000 subscribers, that isn't anything to you. But anyway, all you need to do is go back right here. And once you create your YouTube channel, you'll come back right here and you're going to paste the link. And you'll simply tap on add. After you have done that, you can continue with your setup. And by the way, once you have signed up to Amazon Associate, you'll be able to paste your link, as I said earlier, in the description or in the comment section. And here is a breakdown of the commission structure. So not only will you be able to promote Audible, but you'll also be able to promote other Amazon products. And the beautiful thing about Amazon affiliate program is their cookie period lasts for 30 days. And by cookie period, I mean that once someone goes on, for example, your YouTube channel, clicks on your affiliate link, let's say they were to go on it today, but they don't make a purchase on Amazon. And then 2 weeks later, they make a purchase on Amazon. You will still be able to get a commission. So that, in layman term, is what a cookie period is, or the cookie duration. So once they click on your link, a cookie is planted on that device, and it will last for up to 30 days. And also with Amazon, they don't have to buy the product that you're recommending. Once they go on Amazon and purchase any product during that cookie period, you'll be able to get a commission. And you can see the different commission breakdown, as you can see right here. For example, for Amazon games, you'll be able to get 20%. For luxury beauty and luxury store, you'll be able to get 10%. For digital music and digital videos, you'll get 5%. And you can see right here for Amazon Fire tablets and other technological stuff, you'll get 4%. And for furniture, it is 3%, and it goes on and on. But typically, it is between 4 to 1%, as you can see right here. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.